It's Christmas on Jillies Nails, and today we're going from this to this. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. We're going to start out first with Orly rubberized base coat or base coat bonder. Then we're going to use Spark from Sinful Colors. It's a beautiful matte navy blue. We're going to use Spiced Orange from Maniology, my favorite copper anywhere. We're going to use a matte top coat from Wet n Wild, which did me dirty in this mani. It did me dirty. We're going to use some glitter again because I'm obsessed with this glitter. And we're going to use Sticky Base Coat to go with the glitter. And then last but not least, Such Feet Dry Fast Top Coat. I'm going to go in first and put down the Orly Bonder as a base on all my nails. This is my favorite polish for a mani that I'm going to wear a long time. So when you see me use the purple cap, you know I'm keeping it on. If you see me using the peel off, it's because I'm filming videos. I am going to go in and on the middle and ring finger, I'm going to do 2 coats of Spark. It's a very pretty blue, but if memory serves me correctly, and I might have it confused with another one that's very similar in color, I think this one was a stainer. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have blue nails when I take this off. Maybe I'll get lucky and I won't. But it's either this one or a color very similar to it that is definitely a stainer from Sinful Colors. You have to be careful a lot of times with their blues and greens, especially the really deep colored ones. They tend to be stainers. This mani was completely inspired off of some different photos on Pinterest. I was kind of just looking for nail art trends for Christmas this year or home decor trends. And a lot of the home decor trends were very jewel toned colors like navy, emerald green, or really deep kind of plum purple, but matte. So they took the shine out and just kind of dulled it all down a little bit. It really kind of gives it a vintage feel, and I thought they were absolutely beautiful. I forgot about this polish earlier. It's called Shibori. I'm also going to use another blue that I didn't put in here that's called Cauldron, and I'll tell you about that when we get to it. The Tree Rex plate is here. We're not doing Tree Rex in this video, but Tree Rex is coming. Tree Rex is going to happen. I love this plate from Uber Chic. I posted this on my community tab. A lot of you really liked it, and it's got great stuff on it. It's got some ornaments, a penguin, it's got poinsettias, it's got different kinds of ornaments, different sizes of ornaments, lots of little sayings across the top. It's got ice skates. It's a super cute plate. So if you don't have a lot of Christmas plates, I would highly recommend that one. You can get it directly from the Uber Chic website. I got it from Lantern and Wren. Carly does a great job with her customer service. She's really sweet, and I like her a lot. So while the polish is drying, after I've put it on, I put a top coat on. I'm going to go ahead and glitter up this nail because I couldn't take it anymore. I am suddenly obsessed with glitter. I don't know what my problem is. I don't know. But I've always liked fairies, so I don't know why the sudden yeehaw for glitter is happening. I need a t-shirt that says that, yeehaw for glitter. Oh, that would be funny. I had to pause it. I couldn't stop laughing. Okay, yeehaw for glitter. I don't think I've ever said yeehaw in my life, so I'm sorry. But I'm going to stand by it. Yeehaw for glitter. I don't know what my deal is lately, but look how freaking pretty that is. I put a link to those or similar ones in my last video. I'll try to remember to link it again below for you. It was really pretty. This one, I had a little bit of a problem getting these poinsettias to pick up. So if you do pick up this plate, just know you're going to have to kind of scrub the polish into that one like I'm doing here. I'm kind of wiggling it around back and forth and kind of scrubbing it in. Once I did that, I didn't have as many problems with pickup, but it did take me a time or two to figure it out. And you can see it was still kind of lifting up out of the plate. I was able to get a nice pickup out of this, but it looks a little weird on this one. I don't think I've had a problem like that before. It was odd. It was very odd for me. So it took a couple tries, but I got it to work. I went ahead and stamped this down. Once I did that, I realized it goes with the one underneath it. And what I was trying to do was layer one as a matte in the background. And then I was going to put Cauldron on top as a metallic and let part of it be matte and metallic, hoping it would kind of give it some shadow and highlight. I do think it would work. I just think I should have done the shiny part in the back. So if I had it to do over again, I would use Cauldron in the background and then use the Shibori on top of it. I still really like how it looks though. I'm kind of obsessed with this flower actually. I'm going to do a set of nails for a friend. some press-ons. I'm going to film that and show it to you. She's another YouTuber who's had cancer. And I'm definitely going to use this flower on a set of nails I have in mind for her. I love it. You could really use that any time of year. I don't think anybody would realize it was a poinsettia, you know, any time of year. But back to the color stuff. It's all kind of vintagey. It's all kind of muted. There are some metallics in it or some whites. I saw a lot of this kind of navy, matte navy blue and white, and a lot of the blue and copper, which I think is stunning together. And I think it's Christmas colors that you don't see together very often. Now on this, I'm going to go ahead and grab this big ornament. It looks huge. I was a little intimidated by it, and I do have kind of big nails. So I have a lot of nail estate, as they say, even when my nails are short. So this did fit on me, but they're definitely, if you have small nails, that's not going to work on you. Unless you shrink it. And I had a cool thought after this. You could put a blob of glitter under that and then stamp it in a different color on top of it to get the ornament. That would be really pretty too if you have a small addiction to glitter. So I picked up this other design that is an ornament that looks like a treescape in the background. I don't think it comes across very clear on that set, but I still really like it. I love this whole look, honestly. The color combo is, mwah, for me, it's perfect. I absolutely adore it. I'd love to know what you think. Please leave me a comment and check out the playlist I have in the upper right hand corner of my other holiday videos. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. Bye-bye.